Welcome back to my channel. So here I made a couple of cards with the crafting companion die set. So it's called the Circle Die Craft Kit. So enclosed you have your dies, and this is the circles that came with it. And you have scallops, circles, and you have regular plain circles that have stitch on them. And then you have the usual ribbon, the two different sizes. You have the thin ribbon, and then you actually has three. I didn't use the ribbon, so it looks like there's three in there, I think. Because the thick ribbon, I can get this open here. Yeah. Okay. So you have your thick ribbon here, and then you have, so you have two thick ribbons actually, or that medium-sized ribbon, and then you have your small ribbon. So it comes with three different ribbon sizes. I'm gonna get that back in there now. And this kit, actually, I got like a few months ago, and it's funny because now when I look at it now, it actually reminds me of spring, even though I got it like months ago. I'm just not getting to it. So then you have your pearls, different size pearls, and then you have a stamp set, like a tree branch, and then some tree leaves. You got some squirrels, you know, like the squirrels, you know, like the stamp thingies. Then you have a heart, and you got like a dandelion. You got some other type flowers. You got some more flowers. You got some other flowers, butterflies. You got some sentiment here that says just for you. You got some more flowers and some leaves. And then you have another stamp that has some sentiments on there, and a big flower and some big leaves and a big butterfly. And the sentiment says happy always with thanks, happy birthday, love just so, and I love always. And then you have your die cut toppers. You got like I think there was like 5 of them. I think there was 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 6 die cut toppers actually. You have a blue set, an orange set, a light blue set, a pink set, and a darker pink set with all different type of toppers on there. Then you had your card bases and envelopes, blanks. This is 5x7. This size wasn't quite 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It was a little bit longer wise. I'm not sure what size it was. And then you have your 6x6 card blanks and envelopes. And then you have your color card stock. And then you have your printed papers that came with it. I mean, it wasn't too bad considering I got it from Tuesday morning. It was alright. So I'll show you the couple cards I made. Get this stuff out the way. The first card I made was this one here with the blue paper. Well, this stitch actually came out my own stash. This die, rectangle die, it came with my own stash. So, if you see the stitch on here, then I put this in this to a Village, and it has a typewriter in there. And I took the paper and offset it a little bit at the top and at the bottom. Then here I took another piece of paper where you had the orange paper and some orange squirrels, and you have a banner put at the top. And then if you hear, I cut an opening here and here. It says feel better, and this is where you have to cut off on this piece. I laid it here, and then I laid a circle pattern paper to fit inside here, laid on top here, and that's where you have to tag that says feel better. And that's this is a 5x7 card, and this one actually, let me see if I can find what size this is. This is 6 by a little, I want to say it's a little more than 5 1/2. size, but okay. And then I made another 5x7 here, and I used some flower paper, and I did a paper, and I took a piece of the paper I used for the circle here, and I put a piece down here, and it says a sentiment that says just for you. And I took that flower stamp here, I used this one here, and I colored it with some pinks, and I stamped it with some this I use. Yeah, I stamped it with this brown ink. Does it have a name? It's called Natural. One of my favorite things. And so that's that. And it's my 3 cards that I made with the stamp set. I said stamp set, this card kit. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.